Regulators. We regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good, too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
Hey everybody, Lewis here. Our Shack Barbecue and other things. So tonight, I'm going to be doing barbecued chicken thighs. And it's really not going to be so much about the chicken as it is. I'm going to be making a homemade barbecue sauce. I got a recipe from a buddy, and he says that this tastes pretty much like Sweet Baby Ray's. So I'm going to mix it up, and we're going to put it on some chicken, and we're going to give her a try. So stay tuned. Okay, for tonight's cook, we're going to be using 2 Webers. We're going to be using the lime green, grass green, sage green to do the chicken on, and then we're going to be using the plum one to make the sauce on. So now I have my coals up to temp, so we'll get the basket ready here. Here. There we go. Some in here. And now we'll let the grills come up to temp and we'll get this cook going. Okay, the grill's up to temp, so let's get the chicken on. What we're going to do, we're going to start with the skin side up in the indirect heat area, and we're going to let this go for about a half hour. I'll probably come out 15 minutes in and kind of move them around so that they can cook a little more even. But we will get it going here. And like I said, we'll let these go for a half hour. Then we will flip them over and start cooking them direct for like 5 minutes each. And then take them out and put them back in the indirect and start saucing them. Okay, we're going to get the sauce going here. And what we want to do, we want to bring it to a boil. Okay, so we're going to put it right over the direct side of the fire here. we're just gonna start whisking it all together. Tonight we're enjoying a nice shuck top Belgian white. I'll probably have another one with dinner. I don't think this one's gonna last. Okay, our sauce is coming up to a boil here. Don't touch this handle, it's a little warm. So we'll get it stirred up, and then we're gonna move it to, we're gonna shut the vents down, and we're just gonna move it over to the indirect area, just so it stays nice and warm, but yet starts closing off the temperature of the grill a bit. Alright, for the chicken, let's just have a quick look at it. Looking great. So what we're going to do is we are going to start with the back row here, and we are going to start crisping up the skin on it. Just going to throw a few of these right here on the direct side. So. And we'll let those go for a few minutes. Okay, let's check the temperature on these. Then we'll get them sauced up here. Alrighty, I'm gonna call them done. So we're just gonna take the sauce. I'm gonna brush them on each one. And we're gonna give it a few minutes to kind of crisp up. See how it tastes. Okay, here's the finished product. Look at that glistening of that sauce. Oh my. Can't wait to get into it. So let's plate up and try a piece. Okay, cheers everybody. Let's get into tasting this chicken with this special sauce. Wow, amazing looking color. Wow. That's better than Sweet Baby Ray's. That is unbelievable. I think this is going to be my go-to sauce from now on. Wow. That is so good. Man, so good. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and grill on. Do 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 do.